guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unboxing two products I purchased from Amazon. If you want to know what is inside, don't go anyway, keep stay on my channel. Let's get open the box. Yeah, here we go. This is Saramonic ultracompact 2.4 GHz Blink 500 B2 microphone wireless. I'm waiting this for too long because I need this microphone external wireless to recording video to produce the better quality of sound and voice. So now I get it. So this is the model Blink 500 B2. We get two microphone and one receiver. This is exactly what mentioned here. Okay, let's open it. Here we go. But the box is totally damaged during delivery, but it's okay. Let's see inside. Wow. First, let's see what is this user manual. Okay, let's see what is inside. We got user manual. Oh, this is weird. Why we need this? This is my first time, guys, so I don't know why we need this SIM ejector here. Maybe for something reason. Let's see. Okay, and then we got the quality certificate from manufacturer, and we got two stickers. Saramonic sound remarkable. Okay, and then we get Saramonic product warranty card. Okay, and then we get Saramonic user manual. Okay, that's all. So this is the microphone. So we got two microphone. Build quality is the best because you see this is the microphone here, very good, and we have adjustable for volume here, can clip on signal. Okay, next we get two, all the same, and then we got receiver. This is for pair line out, and this is for charging 5 volts. Oh, we got Saramonic's back traveling. This is very nice. Okay, next what we got here, we got, I think this is charging box. Yes, exactly, this is charging box. We have charging box here. Let's open it. What is inside? Okay, we get all the cable of all the USB, everything you need for charging and everything, including microphone. Let's see. Yes, this is all what we need. This is cable for smartphone, and this is for USB type C, and this is for also USB type C. And we got two mic cable. This is really nice. We got two pieces. I will show you how is the quality of sound. Don't go anyway, keep stay on my channel. Okay guys, now I will do trial for Saramonic. I will do trial for Saramonic 500 Blink 500, sorry, for sound quality. So I will attach this. Let's take a walk and see. Let's go. Haha. I recommend it to you guys if you want to make vlogging with the better quality of sound using this microphone. This wireless microphone is very portable and very useful for you if you are a vlogger. So because when you're walking and moving like this, you can make better sound, better quality, even you're moving away. Okay, let's go to somewhere Let's see what is here. Okay, you can see in the front of me. You can see there, that is the city of Riyadh. So this is it. The voice quality using Saramonic Blink 500 is the best quality ever. So now I will try one more experiment with this Blink 500. I will move more far. So this is the voice of Saramonic 500. I'm going in the middle of the road, so you can hear me. So you can I'm doing something crazy here. I'm going in the middle of the road. Okay, so what do you think, guys? That's it. That's enough for today. So I'm already do unboxing and I'm already do testing for Saramonic 500, so you can see the quality. If this quality is better for you, it's worth it. You can purchase this. This very recommended. Okay, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.